Hi everyone, welcome to Study with Akshay, and this is Akshay. So we are going to start a new playlist over here known as Java programming. So over here in this playlist I will be teaching you how to do Java programming or how to even execute it on a software known as BlueJ. So I have already downloaded software BlueJ over here. So in this video I will also be teaching you how to download software BlueJ, though even I have downloaded over here. I will be teaching you steps, and then later on I will be sending the link also of that software, how to download the link, the place where you get it as downloads. I will be sending it in the description window. So before getting started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and support me. Let's get started. Let me just go to the Chrome. So I have made it ready already. So bluej.en.download.it/download. If you click on to that in the Chrome window, you will be getting the screen. Anyway, I will be sending this link in the description window. You will be easily able to download it. Then here you click on to the start download button. It's downloading. You can see a dialog box has appeared over here, bluej.exe. So this will be saved in our download window in our file explorer or my computer. You can see over here BlueJ. Click on to this, double click. You will be getting a dialog box like this. Next, 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 install. Next, it is done with it. We have done with it. This is not required for this, just a setup of it, not required. Now if you go back and see to the desktop, we will be able to see a BlueJ window over here. You can see this BlueJ. If you double click on that, you will be able to see a window of BlueJ like this. This is how our BlueJ window looks, and we will be running our programs over here. So as soon as I run the program, I will also be showing you the memory allocation, output of that program. Output will be shown using the same screen. Memory allocation, I will be using a blackboard or a whiteboard in order to show how the memory is allocated over there. So if you have liked this video, please click on the thumbs up button. Please do share this video, and please do watch whatever videos are uploaded under the playlist Java. Thank you.